I'm gonna do a cold start video. So the car has been sitting in the garage and I haven't driven it in probably 2 days. So it's about 40 degrees outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up and kind of go through what you hear and what's going on. So clutch in, key in. So that is the antenna going up. There, antenna's fully up. So you can see here, we got, sorry about that, we got good oil pressure immediately, and we are cold. Battery's good. We got roughly 5/8 of a tank. And I'm going to take the emergency brake off. Or sorry, parking brake off, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to back it out of the garage and then let you guys see what's coming out of the exhaust.